Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
I am Dr. Murali Manohar Reddy. I am the senior consultant of this Solis High Hospital. I am working here since the beginning of this hospital. So we have started this hospital 4 years ago with the doctors and a full staff. Now we have gone through 4 years without any discomforts or any problems or anything. We are doing very well in the services of the public and for the benefit of the people. So we have a fully equipped hospital in the maintenance of in the instruments and in the staff. Regarding the instruments, if you want to say, we have every sort of equipment with the latest technology. We have a theatre with a full equipped theatre. We have the only better theatre in the Twin Cities. We have the theatre is called this is a laminar flow theatre. Many hospitals they don't have such a theatre, and with a good staff and with a good supporting equipment for all the operations. Regarding the recently we have opened another branch in Malkajgiri that is called also Solis High Hospital. It is the second branch, and this shows our ability and the things people how they are supporting us, and so in the future also we like to open many other branches for the services of the people. In this recently opened Malkajgiri Hospital, we have a latest technology in the giving the specs to the patients. We do not touch the patient, and this will be done through the 4-after-4. This is the latest equipment, and many people will be having these facilities in this hospital. And to my knowledge, they do not have such a equipment in the Twin Cities so far. And so this is the other regarding the doctors. The doctors, we have the subspecialties like retina, maintained by the, even we have the PROP done by the retinal specialist, and a glaucoma doctor is there, and a squint specialist is there, and a phaco surgeon is there. So we have all equipped with the many specialities. And once the patient comes here, we will get the full satisfaction regarding the eye examination and regarding the treatment. He need not go to the any other centers. If whatever the problem he has, we will be dealing with them. Regarding the patient satisfaction and regarding the surgeries and the outpatient, we do not have any complaints since so far. Everyone is satisfied to their full extent, and we have 100% success to the extent of the patient satisfaction. So we hope we will do much better with the support of the patients.
Solis Eye Hospital is opened their first hospital in ECL Crossroad on the same day of 29th July 2017. This hospital is a visionary of Mr. Ramanjanelu and his family to make a quality eye care in a place of like ECL Crossroad and surrounding area. Looking at that, we have come up with in this 4 years of journey, so since from 2017 to 2021, we have increased our specialty in all the sector of eyes like cornea, retina, glaucoma, oculoplasty and cataract and many other ocular injury surgeries also. In this journey, we have served more than 3.5 lakhs patients whom we have treated in the form of our giving vision. We have done many social activities like doing eye camps and conducting an eye checkup programs with schools, children's, elderly peoples and societies, and we have a separate team to serve this type of activity to give an awareness on vision. We say vision is a priority. So looking at that, our organization has taken all the steps to give that priority on upfront. Looking at our the requirement of the people in sense of their visionary, like in eyeglasses also, we have an at par selection of frames, and we have at par selection of lenses, and there are a lot of collection of industries, safety devices, and people who have almost 80% vision has been lost with their therapeutic devices like vision, low visual aids. So it's a complete eye care unit where every patient from a normal person who want to have their eye checkup for a regular purpose, or people who are suffering with injuries, or people who are suffering with eye diseases, and for a precautionary purposes. Everything can be solved in only one roof, which is Solis Eye Care Hospitals. Looking at the future growth, we have already come up within a short period of within 2 to 3 years, we have opened Malkajgiri branch. We are coming up another few branches which are going to be launched in upcoming year. So we expect that we will getting a support from all our customers and patients, and we are ready to serve them to our best extent.